Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. We will need a plastic bag, a screwdriver, and a new printhead. First, we center the printhead and turn off the printer. We remove the screws from the ink separator. Next, we take out the dampers one by one and place them in a bag. Once done, we set them aside. Then, using a screwdriver, we remove the screws holding the printhead. We remove the printhead and disconnect the data cables. We connect the cables to the new printhead. When connecting the cables, we must ensure they are straight. Then we place it in position and screw it in. When screwing in the printhead, we ensure it is flat. We insert all the screws without fully tightening them, adjusting them slightly. Once all screws are in place, we level the printhead and give the final turns to tighten them evenly. We repeat the entire process to replace the rear printhead. After that, we take the dampers out of the bag and reinstall them in the correct order. Once all the dampers are in position, we reattach the white ink separator. Finally, we turn on the printer.